How's it going, everyone? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, we'll be taking a quick look at 5.0 Resto's plastic retainer for the steering column trim, which is applicable for 1983 to 1989 Mustangs. This small retaining clip installs onto the steering column assembly, and its purpose is to properly secure the tabs on the steering column trim ring. Like many other Fox Mustang interior parts, this piece is oftentimes broken or missing. 5.0 Resto's trim ring retainer is constructed from plastic and incorporates factory dimensions and tolerances. This will fit 1983 to 1989 Mustangs, and in the box will be one trim ring retaining clip. Now, because of the location of the retainer, removal of the steering wheel it's required. We do have a video on how to remove the steering wheel from a 1985 and 1986 Mustang, and another video on how to install the column trim ring for a 1987 to 1989 car. In that video, we do show the steps on how to remove the steering wheel. Both of those videos are in the description. If you own a 1983 or 1984 Mustang, you'll simply pull the center rectangular cover towards you to remove it from the steering wheel frame. This will expose the retaining nut. So with the steering wheel removed, loosen and fully remove the left-hand Phillips head screw. Next, loosen but do not fully remove the lower right-hand Phillips head screw. This will allow enough room to slide the existing clip off of the metal bracket. Install the new clip into the bracket in the same orientation. Reinstall and retighten the Phillips head screws. Position the trim ring over the tilt wheel lever and then verify all the tabs line up. Now you can seat the trim ring into the clip. Reinstall the steering wheel and the retaining nut. Fully tighten the nut. Reinstall the cover or horn pad. After that, you're good to go. Man, oh man, you gotta love the easy stuff. If you have a steering column trim ring that isn't secured, take a look at this clip and I can almost guarantee you that you need to replace it with this brand new clip from 5.0 Resto. As always, for the most current product information, pricing, and availability, please reference LMR.com. If you like this video or it helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Fox Mustang content and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new, and you guys know what to do. Until next time, for all things Fox Body, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.